Now to the latest on the coronavirus in Arizona. COVID-19 cases spiked past 11,000 this morning. News 4 Tucson's Amanda Gomez joining us live with a breakdown of those numbers. Good afternoon, Amanda.
Good afternoon, Priscilla. That's right. The Arizona Department of Health Services reporting 11,380 cases. Those new numbers just coming out this morning. And that is up nearly 900 cases from Friday afternoon. 542 people have now died. That is 6 new reported deaths today. And you'll remember on Friday we told you there is a change to the way these deaths are reporting. So giving us a more accurate picture of exactly when these deaths happened. Let's take a look at these cases by county here in southern Arizona. Now, for you break down those numbers, Pima County is reporting 1,602 cases. Now, to give you some perspective, we're sitting about 153 cases per 100,000 people in Pima County. Pinal County has 620 cases. Santa Cruz County is reporting 45 and Cochise County at 42. However, we did reach out to Santa Cruz County health officials because on their website it's showing 49 cases. They break down, give us a better breakdown of these cases and who's recovered, and the county telling us they're working 24/7 right now with their epidemiologists to figure out why there's that discrepancy, that lag in reporting with the state. So they are working to clear that up, but they are reporting 49 cases. And speaking of that, it is important to remember there is that lag in reporting. So these increase in cases and deaths did not happen in the last 24 hours. They also include people who have since recovered from this virus. Now, as far as testing goes, we just finished our second weekend of the governor's testing blitz. That was this past Saturday. More than 150,000 people you'll see have been tested, the state is reporting, and that percentage of positive tests has gone down to 6.7%. We were close to 8% at one point, so that is some good news. The number of antibody tests you see is that bottom number, more than 33,000 tests there. But in some not so good news, we were taking a look at these numbers, and you'll remember the governor in his blitz wants to test between 10 and 20,000 people each Saturday in this blitz. Well, that is not happening so far. Take a look. We looked at the numbers. The first Saturday of this blitz, they tested close to 6,000 people. Now, just this past Saturday, 817 tests were done, so not close to that 10 to 20,000 number. Not clear why. Lots of questions surrounding this. We have a ways to go to hit that number. We have reached out to the governor's office and ADHS for more information on this. There is another blitz this weekend, this coming Saturday. Pima County health officials told us our numbers in general will go up, so they want to remind you that as we do more testing, but we need more testing to fight this outbreak. Now, health officials also told me one thing they will continue to closely monitor is the hospitalization numbers to see how severe this outbreak is. So they want to do more testing and then also keep an eye on these hospitalization numbers. Total number of cases hospitalized, 1,537, about 14% of the cases. In Pima County, that number is 328. And out of that total numbers, to a breakdown here of the age group, 698 of those cases are 65 and older, the more vulnerable population. The number of ICU beds available and ventilators, when you look into this data, holding steady, no big spikes in those numbers. Ventilators in use is between 20 to 30% right now. It's good that our hospitals aren't being overwhelmed at the moment, but we all have to continue to do our part, Priscilla. I mean, this virus is still here nationwide and here in Arizona, so social distance, wear that face covering, as especially as these businesses begin to reopen last week and our restaurants dine in today.
All right, thank you, Amanda. And speaking of those businesses, despite coronavirus concerns, restaurants in Arizona have been given the green light to begin dine-in service. News 4 Tucson's Paul C. College joining us live from Midtown with more on that. Good afternoon, Paul.
Hey, good afternoon, Priscilla. And as you mentioned, scores of restaurants here in the Tucson area are now open up for people to actually sit down and eat their lunch or their breakfast. And of course, thanks to that thumbs up from Governor Ducey. And some of the businesses around town actually got an early start, including right here in Midtown at Bobo's. Bobo's, of course, is known for its breakfast. Now I'm going to step out of the picture so you can see what's going on behind me. People obviously still eating right now in person, and in order to avoid the spread of the coronavirus, restaurants are taking special precautions, just like this one here, like making sure there are tables that allow social distancing for customers. Also, Governor Ducey has stressed that customers should limit their time in any establishments, so it's not likely people will spend hours on end hanging out at any eateries. The warnings from Ducey about limiting time at the establishments also goes hand in hand with Arizona's stay-at-home order, which remains in place through Friday, May 15th. The folks here at Bobo's tell me they are doing everything they can to also make sure that their staff and customers are not only happy and getting a good eating experience, but they're as safe as possible.
Obviously, we're all wearing masks. We got the guidelines from the city and we're following those to the T. Sanitizing the tables and chairs after every seating. There's no condiments, nothing on the table. It's all upon request and sanitized after. We've taken out about half of our tables, so there is 6 feet between tables. We're going to put up some partitions. That's in the process. We're not there yet, but we're working on it.
And of course, here at Bobo's, they're obviously open, but I want to add that there are a lot of restaurants around town that decided that even though they were allowing people to actually go in their dining rooms and eat, that they're deciding just to continue with the takeouts as well, just to make sure that everybody's safe when it comes to the coronavirus. But I also might add that places like here, Bobo's, a lot of them are obviously they have hand sanitizer in the front, so customers are still able to make sure that they're keeping clean. They can go to the bathrooms and wash their hands regularly as well. Now, coming up on News 4 Tucson at 4 and 5 p.m., we'll continue to go in depth and we'll talk to other businesses and see how they're dealing with the dining room experience back in effect. We've got you covered from Bobo's Restaurant here in Midtown. Paul C. Carla, News 4 Tucson.